Hello friends, my name is Ganesh Biradar and you are watching Future Technology Studios. In today's video, I will be showing how to build a Super Mario game in PyCharm using Python. So if you want to download the game, you can just download the essential files from the link below in the description. If you're a Python expert, then feel free to redevelop the code and if possible, please share it with me. So let's dive into the process. So now I'm at my desktop as you can see. So basically I have used PyCharm Community Edition for my project and I would recommend you all to install PyCharm Community Edition as it provides reliable features for the developers. Now I will click on the IDE and open it. PyCharm Community Edition is basically developed by JetBrains IDEs. So it's a heavy software. It might take time, depends on your system. In my case it opened in a second as you can see over here. This is the programming part and I have used Pygame and Mario module for the game. I have even used dashboard, level, menu and even sound. They all are optional, you can just take those out, but make sure that you also remove those from this main part. And this is the main file in which I have stored everything such as the code, sound effects, and animations and transitions. Now I'll right click on the main.py and click on run main. So it was a bit quick, the game has been opened. I think you're able to hear the sound. I'll just click on the arrow down button, click on settings, turn off the music. You can also keep SFX on. If you want the sound you can keep it on, but for now, for the video purpose, I'm not gonna keep it on. Now I'll click on arrow up button and click on choose level. Basically I have developed only two levels. One is the actual level and another is just an open world level. As I said you, the code link will be there in the description. You can download the essential files and redevelop the game, and if possible you can also share it with me. This is just, it's not an infinite world like an actual game. There is some finite, you can travel some finite distance. I'll click on level 1, click on enter. Now the animal is coming, I'll jump and stamp it on it. I got 100 coins or whatever it is. 100 score over here. As you can see, there is a mystery box over here. I'll jump. I got a coin plus 100 points. So I will, yeah, I stamped on that animal. I got 300 score now. I'll jump on this tortoise, it went into its shape. I'll stamp on this animal, I got 800 coins. Now I'll collect all the coins over here. Accidentally I dashed the animal, so I am out. Now I will show you the level 2, which is nothing, just an open world game. See, there's nothing, as I said you. See, there's nothing much to do over here. I fell into the open space and I again got out. So just click on the arrow down button and come at the last, and if you click on the enter button, your game will be safely exited. It will show process finished with exit code 0. Then you have safely exited it. Sometimes it may show process finished with exit code 1, means you have closed it in a wrong way. Initially you won't get any problems, but in future there might be some errors, so make sure you close it in a right way. By this we have come to an end of our video, guys. The code link will be there in the description. You can go there and try it. As I said you, if you're a developer or a Python expert, you can redevelop the game. You have all rights. If possible, please share it with me. If you have any queries, please type it in the comments. If you want to contact us privately, just go to our official website. The website link will be there in the description. There, in the contact us section, fill up your necessary details like name, email address and type your queries. If the query is relevant and very important, then I will surely reply for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Let's meet in next video, guys. Bye.